Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're showing you how to log into YouTube with username and get into your account easily. This video explains the steps clearly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and type youtube.com in the address bar, then press enter. This opens the official YouTube homepage where you begin the login process. Step 2. Click the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. This takes you to the Google sign-in screen. Step 3. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your YouTube account. This acts as your username for logging in. Step 4. If your email is not listed, click Use another account to enter it manually. This helps when your account isn't saved on the device. Step 5. Type your Google account password carefully in the password field. This step confirms your identity and secures your account. Step 6. Follow any on-screen instructions to finish signing in. Once completed, you'll be logged into YouTube. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more videos.